A claim is usually 2 or 3 unlikely events that occur at the same time. And the timing of them all happening at once create tragedy. If you're not adequately insured for it, it will ruin you, it will ruin the job. If it ruins the contractor, the homeowner mid-project is surely going to be left holding the bag. I protect Jamie, and ultimately I protect the homeowners that he's working for and help them identify those risks and address them with their insurance policies. There are pitfalls if you don't structure your insurance correctly with your subcontractors to have them covered on your job. You can create gaps in coverage, which will create great risk for Jamie or for the homeowners for the projects that he's working on. Find out if your contractor's using subs on the job. Many of the subs that you pick up, if you're not careful, you go out and you pick up subs, they may give you a certificate of insurance with general liability, but not workers' comp. So now you've got subs showing up on your job where the workers aren't covered for worker injury. And if they come out and they create a situation that creates a damage or a claim, and Jamie hasn't set up the correct endorsements with that subcontractor's insurance, then that subcontractor's insurance will not be valid for the job. Jamie's crews are all covered with general liability and workers' comp. The average homeowner doesn't know to look for that. Your homeowner's policy actually requires you to use insured contractors to work on your home. That's what we work on constantly, is to make sure there's a safety net of insurance for everyone who shows up on the job. I met Jamie 23 years ago. He did a backyard project for me. A few years later, friends were over and said, wow, I didn't know you'd do this. Had this done to your backyard. When did you finish? So it's been 5 or 7 years. It looks like it was done yesterday. Sometime around the same year, we were in another acquaintance's backyard who used someone else. I had referred him to Jamie, but he didn't use Jamie. And one of Jamie's competitors did the job, and this was his grand backyard opening. And we went in, and the layout was nice, but it was not in the same category, the materials, the workmanship. And I was back even a year after that, and it looked like it had been there 10 years. It just didn't age well. And the materials and the workmanship that Jamie uses aged really well. The project is, in my backyard, is 26 years old now, and we still spend more time in our backyard than anywhere else in the house. He really changed our life with the project.